You don't need a new week, you just need a new mind. God doesn't change your situation, He starts by changing your mind. Romans 12:2 reminds us of that. Be transformed by the renewing of the mind. You're asking for change, but you cannot be stuck on your old mindset and old patterns and still expect God to change you. You've been set free, but you're still living like you're bound. God cannot pour into a mind that is still stuck on survival mode. So today I remind you, speak life to yourself, think higher, walk like the chains are already broken, because guess what? They are. If this hit your spirit, make sure to like, comment, share for more raw truth like this.